Hello, myself Sandesh Kumar Das, and my project title is the web-based application on production management. The main objectives of this project, the web-based application on the production management, is a process which combines and transforms the various resources used in the productions of the organizations. Therefore, it is the part of the organization which is concerned with the transformations of the range of inputs into the required products or the services. It brings the main materials, money, machines, methods, and market to satisfy the customer needs and their requirement. The web-based application production management is a set of interrelated management activities which are involved in manufacturing concerned product. It is called the production management. The production management deals with the converting the raw materials into the finished goods or the product so that it can be satisfy the customer needs and their requirements. The main objective of the production management, web-based application on production management, is to satisfy the customer needs and their requirements. The web-based application on production management, it is like a ERP related project that integrates all the departments within the organization. The product developed and managed by the admin in the 4 departments via first one is the product entry, second one is view product and view product purchase order, third one is stock maintenance, fourth one is product delivery, and this fourth part is handled by the admin part, and from the another side only one or two modules are handled by the client, that is place purchase orders, inquiry about the product. So this product is basically handled by the client as well as the admin section. So first of all, the clients go through that website, and after the login the sites, they will inquire about the product, whatever the product having to that company, and whatever the needed from that needed for the clients. So for that, after inquiry about the product, after viewing the sample in the site, they will go to further step for the placing the purchase order. So in the placing the purchase order, they are keeping how many items they need, how many what are the types of product they want. So these are handled. So this model is handled by the clients for placing the purchase order. And this is my company, client company. The name is Digital India Private Limited, which is situated in Prince Street, Kolkata, 700027, West Bengal, India. So this company basically produces the nut bolts and various types of forging materials. So it's a production company. The existing system of this project, it was a single user system, and it is command line interface. So single user interface, single user system, that means at a time only one user can use that system, and no any other user can handle that system at the same time. Only one user can use that system at a same time. And the command line interface means for access this system, for access this project, the user needs lots of commands, because it was command line interface. Without having the deep knowledge, user cannot access that project. So it was the big disadvantage of that existing systems. One of the most big disadvantage of the existing systems, it is the single line interface. Only admin can use it. No chance to use for users. It was slow, it was complicated, and has to be installed in every system since it is a text application. So the most of the famous disadvantage of the systems, it was like desktop applications. Desktop applications means suppose a company having 10,000 systems, and they want to install in all the systems that software. So for that, the company members need to install one by one simultaneously to all systems. So it was very tedious job for installs one by one, and it was very time taking process. So it is the big disadvantage of the existing system. Now proposed systems. The proposed systems, it will have a graphical user interface. It's like a graphical user interface, means the user can learn something by using the project. Some symbols indicating in that project, like a graphical user interface, user can learn as well as access easily. Administrator as well as the employees can use it, no problem. Anyone can use it. It is more faster than the existing systems, depending on the internet speed. So it is more faster than the existing system. It depends on the internet speed. User friendly, no need to install in every system since it is web applications. The main advantage of this proposed systems, it is not like a desktop application. It's fully based on web applications. So for accessing this project, users needs only internet and go through that site, and from that particular site they can download and install from any systems at a time. Many systems they can use, and so it is very useful. No need to install very system. Users, you only need to work in internet connection. Yeah, for that access for that proposed systems, user needs only the internet connection, good internet connection it should be. The software will perform the complex calculations to provide the desired result to manage the products of the goods. The hardware requirements. This for the accessing this web-based application and production management project. Processors need Pentium 4. Speed should be 2.53 GHz. RAMs 512 MB. Hard disk 80 GB, keyboard, normal keyboard, mouse, optical mouse, monitor. It's a normal like a 15 inches VGA glass monitor. And software requirement is the operating systems Windows 95, XP and above, browsers, Internet Explorer, Mozilla and all. Front end, I'm using the C# as a front end, and the software Visual Studio 2010 framework 4.0, and back end I'm using SQL Server 2005 as a back end. So the main modules of this project, as I told, this project is handled by the two sides. I mean, from the client side, and another side is accessed by the admin side. So because this project is handled by both admin and client, so first of all, the admin's models. So there are total 4 models handled by the admin, and only one or two models handled by the clients. So first of the admin's models. The admin models are the product entry, group purchase order, stock maintenance, and product delivery. So the product entry. The product entry model, it is a production of the various types of products. Product entry produces the various types of products and make entry in the computer database for the further reference. The production is dependent on the customer's requirements. The main use of this product entry model, it is handled by the admin section. After company, according to the client's orders, company produces the various types of products in various amount. So whatever the stocks having the company, whatever the product having the company, they need to store in their database, so that it can be accessed for the future reference easily. One of the most advantages of this product entry is that we can find in different types of product available in the company. Another model is the view purchase order. So the view purchase model also handled by the admin side, because after giving the orders, after placing the order from that client side, whatever the order coming from that client to the admin, so the admin going to show whatever the details of the orders coming from that client side. So check check how many, admin will check the purchase order comes from the client side. The client places the order according to their needs and requirements, and admin can get the purchase order details from this model. According to this model, according to this order, admin have to manage the product deliveries. This model shows the client's choice. Admins handle and manage this easily. So another model is handled by the admin is stock maintenance. This model is used for manage the product and stocks in the company. This model is used against the client's order. According to this model, admin have to manage and check the stocks. If available means can deliver, otherwise he orders for the production department for the productions within that delivery date. The production and the delivery of the product is depend on the stocks in hand. Definitely, the stock maintenance plays an important role for running the successfully of the production company. So the main advantage of this, the main objectives of this stock maintenance, client giving the order according to their needs and choice to the company. So the company admin check whatever the order coming from the customers and whatever their requirements. Suppose a special types of product given by the special types of product customer want, and they give the order for that product, and they give the order to 19,000, and now company receive that order and give that purchase order, and in that purchase order, same types of product company having only 10,000 in their database. Now they want that they have to deliver 90,000. For that purpose, the company will give the again reorder. The company will admin will reorder for the same types of product for production, because in 9,000 amount, because already company having the 10,000 products, and now for the next time they need 9,000, and the total amount of the product will be 19,000, so that it can be delivered to the company. So basically this model is managed by to maintain and manage the stocks in the production against that order. The next model is product delivery. The product delivery is one of the most important and the final models of this project. The product delivery is the final stage project handled by the admin. The product delivery in the product delivery for the right quality, right quantity, according to the requirement and needs. The delivery of the product will depend on the quantity of the items, and the delivery depends on the order, and according to that order, production takes place in the company. So product delivery is the final stage. It is managed by the admin side to deliver the product to the customer on the due date, on the delivery date. So the client side. Clients uses the models. One of that model is place purchase orders, as I told you before. So this place purchase orders model is used for the client side for place the purchase order in the company. The client place one order according to their needs and the requirement. Here the client have to mention about the types of product, what they want, and in how many amount, along with the delivery date. The admin manages the required product for the delivery on the date. So the customers place the orders according to their needs and requirements to the company. For that purpose, clients handle this using this model, that is place purchase order. This is my architecture diagram for the system, space applications, data flow diagrams, use case diagrams, so the connections between the users and the database and the admin, product entry, inquiry, whatever this is the admin designs, system designs from that admin side. Admin will check if it is correct. If it is okay, means can accept or reject the orders, view the employee details, upload the data. If it is no unauthorized users, then no chance. For same things, system design from the employee side. Employee first will check if it is unauthorized, means no chance to access. If it is authorized, means we will check the inventory, will send the order, and we will view the products, then end the process. These are the process. And one of the activity diagram. Activity diagram is so the whatever the activity happening in the company, regarding this project. So first start, we'll check if yes, if no means unauthorized. If yes means can be handled by the admin as an employee. So from the employee side, can view the product details, check the inventory, sales, or send the orders. And from the admin side, upload data, view the employee details, accept orders or reject the orders. Class diagrams. These are the class diagrams. A sequence diagram for the sequence of the activity happening in the company regarding to the project. So users, product management systems and database. Users can log in, verify, authenticate the permissions. User can view the product details, update the product details, manage the product, update the tracking product, place the process order, stock maintenance, log out, view process order. So these models shows the sequential activities happening in the company regarding that project. Login form. This is the main login form. For that, first users need to make the registration, and after that registration will get the user ID and the password. So suppose admin want to log in, means they have to click here in the radio button, then place the ID and the password, then log in. Same thing happening by the client. So this is the registration form, have to register like this, and this is after logging the after admin login. First, after logging the admin side, the admin home page will appear on the screen like this. So admin can work for models, handle for models, product entry, view process orders, stock maintenance, and product delivery. So these 4 models are handled by the admin. This is the production management. Sorry, this is the first model handled by the admin, that is product entry. So the product entry means they will enter the product after the production, whatever they are. So for that form, they have to enter code number, product name, product details, quantity, and all. And after saving these records, these details will save in the company database. The next model is view purchase order. So view purchase order, after giving the order from the company from the client side, company admin will check that from using these models: order number, company name, address, email, contact number, and whatever the order for what items. These are the code numbers. This is the product name, and this is the quantity for they are giving the order. Here the client gives the order for 19,000. And now stock maintenance, another model, stock maintenance handled by the admin side. So in the company database, they order for 19,000, but here in the company database only 10,000 remaining the stock. So for that and they are demanding for 19,000. So the next 9,000 product admin will reorder from the here, and they produces and they arrange total 19,000, then only they will deliver the product for the next model, that is delivery of the product. The code number, product name, and that quantity total 19,000, and delivery. After giving the OK button, means it will be delivered to that client's address, and then one message will come from the screen that is successfully delivered. So this is the client side workplace. After looking the client, the one screen will appear on the systems, that is appear like this, welcome in client workplace. So this screen will client home page will appear 3 models, that is product details, purchase place purchase orders, and about the company, and they will log out from here only, no problem. And this is a place purchase order. The model place purchase order. This model handled by the client side. That's all.